Hey guys, Titanic in 1912 here, and you can probably see that I'm in Derail Valley by the fact that there's a DE6 there. So you're probably thinking, what's this video about? Well, if I open up my map, and I go down there, that blue dot is me. That red dot's the caboose at the end of my train. So you're probably thinking, what the hell have you done? Well, up front here we have not one, not two, not three, but 4 DE6s. And then we have a stupidly long train. How stupidly long? Well, if you couldn't tell by the map, I'll show you how stupidly long. It's still going. It still goes. It is still going. Oh, and just a quick side note. Derail Valley mods are awesome, but back to the point of this video. The train still keeps going. Still keeps going. I didn't couple those on because those two are shunting jobs right there, but the train still keeps going. Got some tank cars now. Still keeps going. It still keeps going. All the way to the back here at the caboose. I did the math, and this stupidly long train that stretches from there to there, it's longer than the entire harbor. This train is 3,900 tons. It's stupidly long. And really, really heavy. And, I have not added up the cars yet, but if it has more cars than Heiss's ridiculous 195 car tanker train, then you best be sure that'll be written in the description. If it doesn't have more cars than that, I'll still write the car count in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.